What's up, Weld family? How you guys doing this evening? I know I had a little 2-minute video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys watched it. Appreciate the comments about wire feed and the CV and everything like that. I really appreciate all those comments. Always looking forward to hearing from you guys. Now, as you can tell behind me, we got some angle braces going up on the shop today. So it's a 2-inch flat bar, 2-inch flat bar, 1/8 inch thick. That's what it looks like. I'll tell you what, for somebody that didn't measure nothing, it sure looks pretty straight. So the way we did it, we cut one a little long, so it'll go a little higher, and then we tie them in together, so it looks kind of like a Christmas tree. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then we'll probably do like a business talk. It's welded all the way around to the face of the post. And yeah, it is loose because all it is a brace. So if anything changes, it's gonna catch. You don't want it super tight because it's flat stock, so it ain't gonna be as tight as you want it to be. I'm hitting up all the welds, and then hopefully in this same video or next video, we're gonna put up the siding. We're gonna only put up 10 foot up because we still got to put the roof on, and I got to get me a scissor lift. So we'll do the siding 10-foot sections first. That way I can get it somewhat closed in, get it, you know, start working on it like that. And I still got to paint, so I still got a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, y'all bear with me and let's see how far we can get. So the siding might be put on last because I still got to paint to get this building up. I'm so excited. Not enough time in the day.
This is Endangered Beats. Count me down. What? Let's go. 5, 4.
You ain't ready.
3.
Coming to you strong.
2.
Think you want this?
1.
Get it.
Walk up in the club.
What?
Take a sip.
Yeah.
High money value. Take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Walk up in the club. Take a sip. High money value. Take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Yeah. Walking in the airport, just landed in Hawaii. Vacay is where I wanna be. Making money, you will remember me. No regrets, tatted on my chest. That's a victory. Making money, making it come up, it'll be in history. There is only one of me. Never can replace this new age. Making money ain't nothing without your family. Can you hear me? Open up your eyes and see what I'm about. Recognize man, women on me like I'm a king. With my bros on my side, living a dream. With money shooting out a hot spring, making it pour. Liquor store, tailgate, bonfire side, drinking up, having a good time with my family. Walk up in the club, take a sip. High money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Walk up in the club, take a sip. High money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Yeah.
I like my girls with jawbreaker booties. Make them work like you in the movie. Bring it all the cash with the round bags. Well, I count the guap. All the girls starring in the makeup booties drop. Low. Looking at the back, let I bring it to the floor. How you know? Outfitted on the right street. Looking at the girls, then know you gotta keep that ice sweet. On for leak, make that booty clap, make it back. Bring you wanna bring it back, right that. Oh, I really don't know how it goes, but make that booty touch the flow, like make it work. You know you gotta make it twerk. You girl, you the finest. Now you see the girl and I gotta get the dime piece. Get the dime piece and I'm on that. Bring it back like a dragon on that. Now I bring the flames when I flip that thing. Drink the thing and now you know I gotta drink the thing. Fill it up to the top and I drink that man.
Walk up in the club, take a sip, high money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Walk up in the club, take a sip, high money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? This is the welding machine, guys. We are done with the straps. See, the straps are a little loose. That's fine, because at the end of the day, it's just safety precaution for the building. It's not supposed to be welded all the way. It's just enough flex to where once, if something happens, it'll tense up and it, you know, maybe catch or strengthen. Or, you know, heavy winds and stuff like that. We use the LN25. Had a couple issues with it. The guide where the wire goes into to guide it through the rollers, that was a little grimy and dirty, so I had to get all of that out. You know, nothing major. Yeah, nothing major, y'all. You know, just doing what it do. One step at a time, you know. Yeah, we got all that done. Now we're gonna probably start on the siding for the building. 10-foot sections. Well, sorry about that, scratch that. We gotta paint and then we can start on the siding for the building. I'll probably paint today, paint the outsides. do another coat, paint everything, paint what I can. And then start putting it on the siding. I'm probably gonna start bringing it over here though. Wish I can drive my forklift through the yard and go get it. But I can't because there's a lot of sand, so I gotta get the 10-foot sections. And yeah, get the 10-foot sections and get to it, you know what I mean? There's nothing to it but to do it, baby. Alright, y'all have a good one. This has been the Welding Machine. Adios. This video might not be that long. Just bear it with me. Just going through and getting stuff, and I gotta get a new program, Premiere Pro 2020, so that help editing a lot easier. But y'all stay tuned, because it's been the Welding Machine, guys, and y'all keep sticking with me. I'm gonna stick with you guys. And guys, if you got any comments, leave down below. If you got any opinions on anything, leave them down below. You got any questions, I'm happy to ask you. If you got any suggestions, I'm happy to listen. So y'all stay tuned. It's been the Welding Machine, and until next time.